Right, I'm just doing a quick review of Mrs. H.S. Ball's original chutney. Now I bought this in Tesco's. I think it was about £2.50 a bottle, and it comes in a 470 gram bottle. It's quite a big bottle. I went in there. I wanted some chutney, and I was trying to get Baxter's Victorian chutney, but didn't have any. And I saw this, picked this up, and I thought it looked quite interesting. Now this is made in South Africa. It's produce of South Africa, and apparently the recipe dates back to 1870. It's distributed around the world, so you can get it in America and Europe and Japan and all that sort of thing. And in South Africa, it's a bit of a household name. And I've seen videos on YouTube, and people are having it on pizza. So they'll get a pizza base, they'll put this on, and then they'll put that billiton on, which is like strips of sort of dried beef, and they cheese on, and then they make a pizza using this. Now I'm going to try some with some cheese and some crackers, just to give you a bit of get an idea. And if you can see how runny it is, it's quite runny. It's not got a mega thick consistency, I would say. It's quite sort of runny. I'll just try a bit. It's nice. The thing that you notice straight away, it's got quite a fruity flavour. You can definitely taste peaches and apricots in it. I don't think it's got gooseberries, but it's got that kind of, sort of gooseberry sort of fruity taste to it. I'll try a bit with some cheese. Yeah, I would say it's really nice. I think I'll be buying some more. I tend to find, if I'm having sort of sandwiches or whatever, like Branston and things like that can be a bit boring. So I thought I'd try this. But I'll try a bit with a cracker. But yeah, it's really nice. It's really fruity, really tangy, and I would recommend it. So yeah, Mrs. Ball's original chutney. Okay, that's all I'm doing for now. Thanks. Bye.